Hey, what's up, Fender?
Hey, Gary, how's it going?
Good.
Guess you want an update. We're working on brakes now, so we got all the stuff on the front end pretty much done. Hydraulic assist steering, got the ram mounted, got it all plumbed. Check out those little brackets, those things are cool. They work really good for routing those hoses. So, what have we done? Let's see, got all the steering in, we got the axles back in after we got them painted. Oh, the cage, check this out. So I'm not sure where we left off last time with the cage. We've got the cross bracing in, the seat belt stuff in, and then check that out. It's gonna be this box that sandwiches the roll cage, and that whole bottom piece will come out. So that'll be the dome light, and then up on top is both antennas, the satellite and the FM and stuff. So again, this thing works with the soft top, it works for the hard top, and it'll work with the factory stuff. And then Dan might get mad at us for saying this, but we're building new seat mounts. So all the guys are looking for JL stuff out there. So we'll be able to mount, you know, PRP seats, Beard, Corbeau, whatever. So we're making our own aftermarket seat brackets, Motobilt stuff that'll have sliders, and you'll be able to mount aftermarket seats in these things without having to tear these things apart. They're kind of welded in. And we're doing the same thing with the rear, and we got some surprises for this back seat mount. Hint, hint, hint. That'll be really cool for the back, and we'll be able to mount aftermarket seats in the rear too, bench seat and or bucket seats in the rear of this thing. But it's come quite a long ways in the last couple days. We've got the skid plate in and just checking clearance for the axle with this the fuel tank. I think we went over that a few episodes ago. The fuel cell, and I don't know, it's kind of getting buttoned up now. I guess the most progress has been on the cage and getting everything stuck back in this. Wait, there's more. We had talked last time about these shock coops. So these are the final shock coops. These are going to be available, 16-inch RIs, and then we had a blank inner fender. So you cut this thing up, clears your shock mount nice, and now look at that, no mud intrusion into the bay. Looks clean. Makes it so much nicer.
Oh,
I forgot about those.
yes, that's wonderful, isn't it?